I'm in Mangwon Metro Station, exit number 2. Today I'm gonna do something that I always love to do when I travel, is to visit the local market. Instead of visiting by myself, I will be joining a package which includes a market tour and a cooking class.
I'm Korean mommy, okay? yeah, it's kind of like this whole university, national university has a top. So persimmon is, we have several different texture of the persimmon, and that's a hard texture. We have to peel, crunchy, crispy. This one, we call it gold apple. And also, like only for a short time, you can try this one, crunchier and sweeter. But you cannot feel the like strong apple flavor, just like texture and the sweetness.
Well, it's a big market. I didn't expect that.
You know what? It hasn't started yet. The main entrance is there.
It is just the way to the entrance.
We're getting
Wow.
lots of fresh ingredients, right?
Yeah.
In winter season, we can get a fresh seaweed. It's not fried one. But this year, really cheap. The whole box only 16,000 won. It's from Jeju Island. Oh, looks all different, right? And slightly all different flavor. Yeah, and these are the really popular one. The whole winter, we can try this one. One container for only 3,000 won. The whole box 20. That's quite expensive. Can be like the half a price. We are getting close to the World Cup Stadium.
Ah.
Yeah, so it's walkable. That's why some of the street name is World Cup Stadium. World Cup Stadium. That red sauce from the chili paste. And also, if you order bibimbap at the restaurant, they always serve you the chili paste on the side, right? That's a chili paste. I want to tell you about this one, kombu, the dried one. With this one, we can make special soup. Not really mushy. If you just leave it a little bit under the room temperature,
It looks like a bell pepper.
super sweet.
Yeah?
Yeah. All dried anchovy. Little tiny one to the medium sized one, and that size is all the finger size.
자, 먹겠습니다.
안녕하세요.
Do you eat it as sashimi?
Yes, always.
Always.
Yeah.
And this one, no?
Sashimi.
This one's sashimi, so?
Always. Yeah, after slice. If you break that one, inside is full of that really mushy texture. Here is the main entrance of the market. Super fun area. So guys, let's get. Look at the beautiful long silvery fish. 안녕하세요. That fish is from Jeju Island.
Can I ask you what is that? I saw that.
Spinach. It's all spinach.
So that's what you use for the side dishes?
Side dishes.
Ah,
yeah.
I
And
see.
we can make soup with that one.
Ah.
언니 근데 집에서 영어도 가르쳐요? 우리 어간이 조금 남아가지고.
아 그러시구나. 근처 사세요? It's the sea pineapple. You can eat straight away with some chili paste. We call this 족발.
Right.
Emma, you will try this one a lot while you're staying in Korea. Yeah.
This is the oxtail soup, Korean
Well,
melon.
actually, one for less than 1,000.
We are going to try some street food. Thank you.
Yeah, and inside is a glass noodle, and the squid and sweet potato and mixed vegetables are the colorful one. So guys, dig in. But mainly, the chili paste, we call this gochujang. As I told you, when we make tteokbokki, the red sauce, or bibimbap, as a side sauce, and look at that one. All different, red chili stuff, all from this one. Rice wine.
We have finished the market tour. Now we are heading to the cooking class.
My girl!
Oh, it's so homey.
Say hi to my girl!
Hot tea.
Bibimbap. Bibim means mixed. Bap is cooked rice. So exactly mixed cooked rice. She's going
Wow. Nice place.
Oh, no, something
Korean
wrong.
apron.
That's okay. So guys,
안녕하세요.
No olive. Why? Different sizzling point, so for it to smoke everywhere. So 된장.
It's really thick.
Yeah, thick. So my mom used to cook this jollof for my breakfast. 2 spoons. 2 spoons.
2 spoons.
Yeah. And mix everything. Yeah, gently mix, mix, mix. I prepared the chives, spring onion, and onion and carrot. Yeah, so please add a bunch of veggies into the batter. If you want to make kimchi pancakes, same. You need to add chopped kimchi in, and instead of the cold water, you can add kimchi juice.
It's flippin' time.
And quickly and spread out. Try to make thin, roundish pancakes. Yes. Cook it, cook it. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. 너무 힘들어.
Everything on the same side.
Try again, try again. I feel Now let's try to make a Korean taco. 1 scoop of the rice plate. Yeah, and get some chicken in on the lid. Yeah. Then, can you see the special paste? That's the sun paste, taco paste. Please get a little bit. Then, guys, wrap it. Stretch your mouth. All in one. Guys, all in one. That's Korean taco.
How do you call this alcohol?
막걸리.
I had an amazing experience today. Basically, it's because Junhee is a super fun and outgoing person. Besides the market tour and the cooking class, we also learn some basic Korean and get to share our travel experience. The food is delicious and you can simply redo it at home. You can find Junhee in her own website, Klook and Airbnb experience. Let me know if you would like to see more of this kind of local experience videos by leaving a comment down below. I'm heading to Incheon Airport. It's not because I'm leaving, it's because there's a very nice bar right next to it. We are going to Terminal 1. I have arrived in this place called Paradise City. It has a hotel, a conventional center, a shopping arcade, a spa, and a casino. My favorite pumpkin. It's 10 minutes away from Terminal 1 by shuttle, and the shuttle runs every 30 minutes. Whoa! Today is a Saturday. It is sort of like a weekend market there. I don't have time to look at any of those today because I have less than 6 hours to spend here. They're selling swimming suits. Yes, you need a swimming suit inside that spa. I have already purchased the ticket online. It's 60,000 won per person and I can stay there for 6 hours. I think the ticket price really depends on the season. It's ranging from 50,000 won to 70,000 won. They gave me a locker for my shoes. Right here.
My love, I crossed the 7 seas I find me another one, more precious than these. Well, you've got me charmed like a matador, dancing circles around my heart till I fall to the floor.